I've been noticing on Amazon that these squishy food toys are so popular. So I decided to purchase some of the most viral, popular squishy food toys on Amazon to see what all the fuss was about. So I'm going to take you with me to unbox all of these squishy toys that I just received in the mail today. And let's see if they're really everything that they're cracked up to be. All right, here's everything that I purchased in this Amazon haul. First up, we're gonna unbox some of these dim sum dumplings. These are probably the most popular squishy food toy right now. There's a company that has been making these and they've been selling them a lot at Five Below, but these are basically knockoffs, but they're very, very popular on Amazon. A lot of people are really into like the mystery of them, of what's inside. So we're gonna unbox those first, and then after that, we're gonna explore a variety of other foods. I got some bread items because bread squishies are really popular, and this was a pretty funny toy because it's like actually looks like bread, and I do make a lot of bread in my bread machine, and I could kind of understand why maybe someone would want to experience squishing a loaf or a slice of bread because bread is pretty squishable. So I got this bread slice here, and this is probably the most realistic of all the bread or food toys that I purchased. This is the colossal bread from Kebrew. This says do not eat on it specifically, but this is actually like a loaf of bread, which I thought was pretty cool. And this one here is going to be really fun. This is actually like a stick of butter. Butter squishies are so popular right now, and I could see why, because that's like another type of food that maybe you'd want to really experience just squishing and squeezing. So we're going to see how satisfying that is when we unbox that. Then another really funny food squishy that I thought was really interesting are these eggs. So we're gonna get to experience what squishing eggs is like. And then I bought two fruits. Now, some of these are actually scented, which I think is really cool. We're gonna explore which ones are scented. And this is a mango, and this one is a squishy banana. Now, if any of these interest you, I am going to share links in the description of where you can purchase all of these. And I did go ahead and make an Amazon idea list that has these items as well as even more. And I actually ordered more squishy food toys that haven't even arrived yet. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel because I'll be sharing those when they do arrive in the mail. But let's unbox these 8 ones first. All right, first up, let's unbox this dim sum squishy dumpling. Wow, this one is like, oh wow, it fits perfectly like in the palm of your hand for squishing. Oh, I could see why people like this. And look at the cute little face on this one. Okay, we'll put him back in his little container. Now let's unbox this second bao bun squishy. This is a rainbow mystery. What color will you get? Oh, pink. How cute. This one has a little face too. I could see this being a great stress reliever when you're at your desk. It's actually sticky. Feels like a piece of bread. It's definitely what happens when you squeeze a piece of bread. This colossal bread. It's like packaged like a loaf of bread. How cute. This is very realistic looking. Oh wow, it smells like bread. Oh, it smells like the bread I made the other day. Now let's do the butter. Okay, this is a 4-ounce salted butter food squishy. It's pretty satisfying to stretch because it feels like it wouldn't break. It smells slightly sweet, kind of like butter. I could see just putting this on my kitchen counter and walking by every once in a while and just giving it a little squeeze. Do the food squishy banana. That's a fun one. It smells really good. Look at this. Whoa. Like, it smells kind of like sweet mango. I could see why people like these. This is a 6-pack of eggs. Now these come in clear, like this, or they come in white. And the white ones, when you squeeze them, you can see the inside like the clear. This is really interesting. I thought these would be fun to like throw on the ground. I think my favorite one is this one. This big loaf of bread. Because I bake a lot of bread and it really looks like a loaf of bread, but I could just squeeze it, which I don't want to do to the bread that I bake. That was really fun. Thanks for unboxing these squishy food toys with me. All right, well, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.